me too. Hi! Okay, so this is Lovely, and today I want to share with you a little bit about my journey, and especially about this wash and roll hairstyle. Now, the reason I decided to do this video was one, to empower persons who might have had the experience that I had in terms of not knowing what to do with your hair, or having your hair chopped off, having your big chop, and then wondering how to have your hair looking nice and professional. And I mean, of course, if you have more than one job, like myself, where one, I work as an educator, I work as a part of a team of nurse educators, and two, really having your own business, then that becomes very, very important. You want to be, well, for me, I want to be free, but I also want to look professional. You want to look sexy, you want to look attractive, and you don't want to have something that, oh my God, is taking a lot of time. So my inspiration for doing this video was one of my colleagues, a nurse manager at work, Ms. Longmore. Now, I wore my hair in a finger curl one day to work, and she was like to me, wow, what you did to your hair? And I was explaining it to her. She's like, oh, you're going to do a video about it, right? Okay, so here I am. Now, this hairstyle is quite simple, and in terms of what I've used to date, not very much. All I really used are 3 products. So I washed my hair with this Tresemme Curly Hydration for curly or wavy hair shampoo. I gave it 2 washes, and then while it was still wet, I added this Tresemme conditioner, rinsed it, and then I reapplied some conditioner, left it in there. Now, what I want to tell you about this conditioner is, if you could actually see the bottle, you realize that it's almost finished. Because the truth is, I am not the only one who actually like this conditioner. My daughter Jasmine, she does too, and she has a lot of hair. Her hair is thick and foxy, and she uses this. Two things that little girl loves. She loves conditioner and bubble bath. So if you buy any bubble bath, it's going to be finished. And when that is finished, she will use all the conditioner in her hair and in the bubble bath. Yes. Now back to hair. So I added this to it, and then after I was finished, I sectioned my hair while it was wet, so I didn't dry it or anything. Just put a towel and a wrap, which I'm wearing currently. And then while I was sectioning it, I added this EcoStyle alcohol-free sport styling gel. So if you can see it, can you see it? Right. So I added that to my hair in sections, making sure that my hair was saturated both with the conditioner and also with the gel. And then finally, what I did was just, okay, no, I didn't do it. I just brushed my hair from side to side, enjoying myself. And of course, I have to be careful because already I have a C-spine injury, so I really don't want to whip my hair too much. Yeah, so I just flashed my hair, and that's it. So I hope that you found this video useful. And then when it comes to hair, what I would say is, I can't say to somebody, oh, what is my hair going to be like tomorrow? Or I don't know, because I am very free-spirited, and I think that I would like my hair to represent that. I mean, my hair is a journey, so I don't know what I will be like tomorrow in terms of my hair, but I will do my best to try to take the best care of it that I can, and just to continue to experiment with different things, just to get the best out of my hair. And I think not just for hair, but for life. I think that's what it's about, just live your life, love it, live with your hair, love it, wash it, shape and grow.